One Piece OP16 English edition by the single box random number 16. 16. How many times we roll on our pirates? 5 times. Good luck, you two. 2, 3, 4, and there is 5 times with the 5 pips. Pippita, pippita, hooray. Alright, let me get this sheet printed. Send you guys to the table. Get the box on the table. We'll see some more One Piece. You surround yourself with good people, it helps. Yeah, I've also learned it's the times where things aren't easy that remind you of those who really do care and who will really be around with you and be with you. Because it's those tough times that make it very clear who matters and who doesn't. Yeah. Oh boy, is this gonna conjure some luck here? Let's see what more we can add to this crazy wall here, man. Absolute insanity. IYC. Did you see this one? Did you see this one that just happened? So I can watch this one live. I'm glad you're able to watch at least one of these live. Just saw that one? Okay, hell yeah. Love to hear it. There we got Devon on number 4. And again, just right away with an alt art. This is the first time I've seen this one. Holy crap, the foiling off of the sword right there. Look how bright that is. That's crazy. That is number 8, IYC. Making it right in time to live watch an alt art. Shiryu! Part of the Blackbeard Pirates. I don't remember too many of the Blackbeard Pirates yet. Boxes tonight have been absolutely juiced. Yamato on number 9. There we've got 8 on the Rioters and number 2. We have not seen the Boa alt art in a long time. I feel like in the beginning we saw a couple copies, but it's been a while since we've seen that on the alt art. There's Wolf on the number 6 and Yamato on the SR. Yamato is number 8. IYC. IYC. Yeah, that is really pretty card, man. I always appreciate the alt arts, how pretty they are. Then we got number 1 on the rare, and Monkey D. Luffy on the number 5. What was that? Johnny Bravo? I'm too pretty. Very pretty, mama. Then we got number 5. Monkey D. Luffy. There's Buggy the Clown, number 1. Mr. 1 on the 4. And Traffy on 0. Mentioned before, Traffy is easily made one of my favorite characters in One Piece right now. Then we got number 2. Sakazuki on the SR. That one is number 5. I'm starting to get better about not getting my ankles absolutely shattered by him. Edward Newgate still gets me pretty bad. There we got Little Lords Jr. on number 7 and Mr. 2 on the number 5 for the rare. There's Nami on the number 1 and Ivankov number 6. Or tres. Be back for a Dragon Ball. Sounds good, dude. We'll be here. We'll be here. There's Teach on the 0 for the leader. Nico Robin. Momo on the number 5 and Kuzan on the number 3. We got Yamato on the number 7. Dude, what the hell is going on tonight? It actually doesn't add up. It doesn't add up. It just doesn't. It just doesn't. That is number 1. Tres with the Portgas de Ace on the alt leader. Again, the texture you get on the top there with the manga lines going down. Oh, that's such a cool card. Look at like the radial foiling on the left side there too. Goodness, man. Goodness. I really don't know what's going on tonight. It just really hasn't stopped, bro. It just hasn't stopped. Insanity. Younger brother Marine. We got Marco on the number 4, Luffy on the number 4, and there is our first Don. Now we got the Salvatore. Nice! Kozuki, Odan, Sengoku on the 0, Prisoner of Empel down number 2, and there is Kobe on the number 4. That's Vasco with the number 0 and number 2 on the Ben Beckman. Good to meet you, Ben Beckman. That's how I read his name. I got number 1 on the leader. Jinbei on the number 7, and Prisoner of Empel down to number 2 for the rare. There we've got number 8, and Vista on the number 1. Luffy on the number 4 for the rare, and there's Bugga the Clown. What's his fruit called again? I don't remember the name of Buggy's fruit. I know he detaches. It's not Pop Pop. I don't remember the name of his fruit. There's very few I remember the name of. There we got Mr. Toot, number 5, and Zehahahaha, number 6. Was that a good impersonation? Did I do that well? Or impression, right? Not impersonation, impression. Impersonation is a lot more. Marshall D. Teach on the 0. There we got Sanwan on the number 6, and Hot Diggity Dog, man. Hot Diggity Dog. Chop Chop, that sounds right. That does sound right. That does sound right. This is the, I mean, if you're looking for a secret rare, you do want to get this one. You want to get that one. People are building decks with Marshall D. Teach. I need that card. Solid hit. I should say who it goes to. Number 9. That one's going out to IYC with the secret rare. Yamato on number 7. Kobe on number 4. Very solid box. Very solid box. I mean, that's kind of how the vibe's been for most of tonight now. It's been crazy. Number 7 on the rare, and in case you wanted to see the SR compared to the alt art there. That one's number 8. Going out to IYC. Sengoku on the leader, 0. Marco on number 4, and Nami on the number 1. Traffy. There's Little Oars, Junior number 7. Luffy on the number 4, and there's our second Dawn. Dawn! Blue pack, second from the end. Do we have a little bit more juice? We got Luffy on the number 2. Vasco Shot on the 0, and Moby Dick on the number 1. Whitebeard's ship. Last pack. Looking for some LPM here. It's been a great box. Let's see if we can make it an awesome one. What do we got? What do we got? Luffy, number 5. And Yamato on the number 6. We can count, folks. We can count. It's 5 and a 6. We got our 2 Dons. We're going to go ahead and run the random. Top 2 spots will be taking home a Dawn. times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there is 8 times with the 8 pips. IYC and Tres, both of y'all are getting a don. There comes the recap. I'll say the numbers as we see them. We have 8, 8, 6, 5, 5, 8, and 2. We have the secret rare Teach on the number 9. We have Shiryu on the number 8. And then the alt leader here of Portgas DAs. Such a sick card, man. Number 1 for Tres. Thank you guys all. That was One Piece OP16 English edition by Single Box Random number 16. Oh yeah!